Hey everyone, Jacquelyne and Nathan here.
Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne here with U.S. Sport Aircraft. Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne here with U.S. Sport Flight Academy.
Hey everybody, it's Jacquelyne and Nathan here with U.S. Sport Flight Academy.
Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne here due to our vast and modern fleet here at U.S. Sport Aircraft. Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne. Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne here with Thrust Flight. Hi everyone, it's Nathan and Jacquelyne here with Thrust Flight.
A lot of growth has happened throughout the past few years to get us to where we are now. Starting out as U.S. Sport Aircraft, we primarily trained and sold sport cruisers.
Today we're going to tell you why you should fly a sport cruiser. Fly a sport cruiser. Sport cruiser.
The economics of the sport cruiser.
For a sport cruiser, the sport cruiser is, come on, a downright sexy aircraft.
We shifted our focus to general aviation flight training.
I talk to people about flight training every day. I'm standing in front of our flight training center for accelerated flight training students. Once you start training and gaining confidence, so call or email us today to get your accelerated flight training program started. A few years ago, the industry saw an unprecedented pilot shortage. When this happened, Thrust Flight changed its focus primarily to training airline pilots. When we decided to change our name to Thrust Flight back in 2017, it represented a huge change in our company's focus. When we realized just how truly serious the airline pilot shortage was, we decided we would help our students take advantage of that shortage.
But even though our company changed focus to train airline pilots, we're still that friendly face and fun atmosphere that you're used to.
So, for Thrust Flight here at Addison Airport, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Jacquelyne.
Take care. Take care. Take care.
Take care. Take care. Take care.
Take care.